Good afternoon, my YouTube friends. We are here today at Universal Studios to check out the brand new Minions Cafe, which has recently opened, and to go have some fun, see any merchandise that they have. But the main focus today is definitely going to be the new Minions area they have right by the entrance of the park, right across from the Despicable Me attraction. Let's head on in. Let's go make some movies, you guys. And oh my gosh, we have arrived at Universal Studios. We're in the park now.
You want a cab?
We don't need a cab because, well, Minions Land is right in front of us. Well, this is something brand new. They replaced the old Studio Silver store, and it's now like just as Universal Universe, and it has like different franchises from Universal, like movies they made. Jurassic Park, Jaws, all of the latter. There's even like a big field. The main Universal Studios store is also decorated with some like stuff about the movies, I have noticed. The Despicable Me Minion Mayhem ride does have a bit of a wait. It's about 40 minutes right now, but what we came to see here is this is the brand new Minion Land and the whole area for this park. It's very fun for the kids, I will say. The gift store is right here too. Seems like they are open. No, this is the Universe store. This is the Universe store that they have over there. They actually have the team member previews right now for the VillainCon Minion Blast attraction, which has officially replaced Shrek 4D. Yep, this is the official team member preview, which is why it's kind of busy right now.
Is it open already?
Nope, just for team members. They probably will be having the annual pass ones very soon though. Again, it's really busy here on the Minion side, that's for sure. And now this whole area is new, where it says Illumination. There's actually some character meet and greets over there. They have both Minions and characters from Sing. They have a bunch of other stuff here. They have the Bake My Day, which is a Minions Despicable Me themed bakery. I can already smell like the vanilla and sugar from like where I'm standing. It's actually kind of funny to see something so bright like Illuminations completely bordering what is Transformers. I think that's just really fun to see. Yeah, they currently have the Minions out here at the Illumination Theater. They're out for the meet and greet photos. There's like a little overall store here. It says one size fits all. Genuine Minion over. At the bake store, they have like some like Loungefly bags of the fluffy unicorn from the original movie. There's also like some plush toys of it. Freeze Ray Pops and then the Bake My Day. They're both like little dessert stores. It's like ice cream in one and then the cupcakes in another. Bank of Evil, I assume, will be a gift store in the future. It kind of looks like it would be a gift store in the future. Yeah, this is from the first movie. It looks like it might be a gift store in the future, or like an alternative entrance for something. And now here's the main attraction, the Minion Cafe. The first thing I noticed is this big accent wall with a bunch of minions on it. The actual Minion Cafe. And now this is kind of a shock to see because the last time that we ever saw this place open, it was the Monsters Cafe, and it was really gray, to say the least. The ductwork sort of like accenting is really cool.
Yeah.
Like it has a bunch of like orders and a pipe. Another one down there does have bananas in it too, the Minions' choice of food. Already from the get-go on the outside of the Minions Cafe though, it's very Minion colored, just the blue and the yellow together. It's a very beautiful color scheme they have going on. Can you imagine this used to be all the Monsters Cafe before?
Yes, and look at it transform.
Totally is transformed now. We're going to the break room, Nenny.
Oh.
Can you imagine Minions have a break room?
You have a break room?
Yeah. Yeah, thank you.
Any questions about ordering?
They have these sort of like office humor style signs inside the break room area. This cafe is divided up into sections like how the Monsters Cafe was. So I think that's pretty cool. So the kitchen was in front, where we're sitting now is like the little break room for the Minions. This is one of the specialty drinks they have here in the Minions Cafe, a PX1 punch. The alternate is also the antidote. I'll be showing you what's in the actual punch PX1 like right here. It's very purple, that's for a fact. It has a nice like little souvenir cup because this is like a hard plastic, so if you want to keep it, you can. And it does have like icing on top, like actual icing with like pop rocks. I can hear them crackling already. Very cool. If I sort of peel back the layer, it's kind of fun. Peel back a layer of a drink. It's like a lemonade, so there's some ice and like the taste itself is very lemony. I like this, it's very refreshing. So here's our food. This is mine, the noodle bowl. Nan has the salmon. And then we got a little side order of minion tots as well. We also ordered one of the little desserts. This one's like a little Minions themed sweet roll. And it has like a little banana. It's not a real banana. It's like a mousse with chocolate. I'll show what's inside of it right here on the screen. Oh my god, it almost escaped the plate. Well, my noodle bowl was pretty good. I would get it again, but the only thing I just didn't like was the egg in it. Maybe it was some kind of seasoning in it, but it tasted kind of weird to me. Everything else though was really good. The pork was nice and fatty. Noodles were like chewy, and the broth was pretty flavorful. Nan, what do you think of your little minion cake?
It's good. It's not too sweet.
Not too sweet?
I was surprised.
Oh yeah, it is pretty fluffy. You can see it, yeah.
Just have like a sour and a slight tart taste.
Like passion fruit a little bit?
I don't know. No, it just have a tart taste.
Nan says the best thing that she's had here at the cafe are the little minion tots. I mean, who can go wrong with potatoes? It's fried potato. Like a tater tot. Oh my gosh, the minions have like a little locker for little things. There's like a baby minion in one of them.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, there's a baby one in there. Bunch of like little stuffed bananas, some car, one of the kids' stuffies. It's like a little typical break room area, so like the cutlery, and then like some photos of like office worker of the year or something. There's also this cool like little vending machine here that has like a bunch of stuff a minion might need, from like bananas to desserts, out of stock whipped cream. Minnie's Cafe is pretty busy today, but that's good. This place never used to get much traffic. Yeah. Only for Halloween Horror Nights would the Monsters Cafe ever get any traffic. This whole area used to be like, remember it used to be like a top secret lab for like Dr. Frankenstein, and now look at it.
What is that? Are they cooking?
It looks like they're cooking bananas, the Minions' favorite.
Oh.
Salad with a banana. It's got a bunch of wall decor. It looks like, it kind of like resembles what the Minions are doing in the kitchen. Oh my gosh, okay, the appliances also look like Minions. Like, it's got some googly eyes in the blender and like the juicers and stuff.
I love that.
The toaster? That's a pretty cool toaster.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Pots and fun.
Your favorite.
Yeah.
There's also restrooms in this cafe, which is really convenient.
I used to come here because it's down in the end of it.
Yeah. There's like this room is pretty busy, but it's like a bunch of like different areas here. I think it's like the girls' room actually. It's very like kitty themed. They have a Coca-Cola freestyle machine, and here's more of the break room. Oh, look at like the different signs like shared refrigerator etiquette.
What is that?
There's fish in the water. Fish in the water area, like water cooler. Means it's nobody's fault. Communication. A quiet workplace is a happy workplace. Okay, so there's a sign outside of the Minions Cafe that shows what they have, like handhelds and then like off the flames. And they also show like some pictures of what some of the menu items look like. It does change frequently, so you can read the entire thing. Hey, look at the cake we had in there. That's like the vegan option to what Nan had. So salmon, it's cauliflower, like fried cauliflower. So to order at the Minions Cafe, it is through the mobile app. However, you can also order at the counter. They have like little squares on like the tables that tell you like where your table number will be. So they ask you to remember it if you're going for like the counter itself. But if you're on mobile order, there will be an option to select that like the little table number. It's okay. Oh my gosh, okay, we're the old like cafe area, like the little fill-up station they had for the Monsters Cafe. It's now into a popcorn stand, and they do have banana flavored popcorn alongside a specialty popcorn bucket. It looks like one of the little Minions cars, which is pretty cool. It's called Pop-A-Nana. These are some of the ice cream they have at the Freeze Pop area. These like little ones with like the Groogy and like the Minions like looking pop too. There's also a Vector one back there I noticed. I'm sorry how this looks on my camera. Screens always look like that for some reason. But they do have, oh gosh, come on, load. Come on, are you gonna load? There we go. $8.99 for the popsicle. The Minion is blue banana. The Gru one is Nutella. Vector is orange. And the regular popsicles are like $5.99 with other flavors. Well, this is the, oh my gosh, okay, well it smells good in here, that's for sure. Some sweets in here. There's like cupcake popcorn, cotton candy. That's cute. Oh, it's like a little Minion cupcake. They also have the fluffy unicorn ones too. Yeah, those are those ones are the fluffy unicorn from the first movie. Here's the back of the display window. There's some more merchandise here. This is actually really cute. It's like a little hold this. It's like a little tinsel cup. Like if I shake it. It's got like tinsel inside of it, holographic tinsel. They also have like this little spoon and fork set for kids. Oh yeah, or even like, look at that, like a little cup, plate, and bowl set. That's really cute. There's also these bucket hats here. Some, oh, you want to see it? It looks a bit like Superman ice cream, the coloring. Some adorable Minions t-shirts. There's that one there in pink, the other one in blue. There's some little keychains in the same kind of colors, like the cotton candy-ish colors. Soft keychains. There are some...
Is that a backpack?
Yeah, these are like little backpacks for kids. Yeah. They also have some plush toys. Yeah, let's show the backpacks again. It's the same thing with like the cotton candy hair ones.
How much are they?
The backpacks? They're $37. They have these headbands here for $20. These are adorable. I mean, look at those. Cupcake displays, alongside some more sweets on the other side of it. They have some magnets. They're die-cut magnets. Attach to your car, your fridge, or whatever. Some phone cases also. Seems like they're primarily iPhone themed cases. That Bake My Day one is really cute. You want to get the Swiss roll, right, Nan? Oh, the macaroons. So the gift store is called Evil Stuff, which I think is pretty funny. We're gonna go see that now. Oh yeah, you're right. This does look like the Shrek pre-show. Yeah, this is the gift store. This used to be the pre-show for Shrek.
Oh, okay.
There's a bunch of Minions merchandise in here. All different kinds. They also have the Minions dressed up as some of the villains. They have some more of like the villains up on the wall and stuff. That's from the second movie, the evil Minions. They have lounge flies with those too. No, it's just a bunch of like Minions themed stuff, that's it.
What's that?
Oh, the different like nano gun, freeze gun, stuff like that from the movies. You really like that, huh? So the Minions Cafe was really nice. We also did get to see the gift store surrounding the area for the new Villain Con attraction, which is opening sometime in summer of this year, so pretty soon. I think the cafe was really nice. The food was pretty good for sure. I really enjoyed the noodle bowl that I had. Same thing with the sweet store. That was really cute.